Princesses are overrated. I have never wanted to become a princess. Yet, here I am. Welcome guys to the video. As you can see, fresh-faced, freckles out, naked mole rat look. That's a ginger thing. I'm gonna become Merida from Brave. So she's the one that looks more like me. Character-wise, she's as well. So let's do this. I'm gonna use a lighter foundation as I'm a bit tan, so it doesn't work right now. And I'm not gonna use that much because she has freckles, I have freckles. I don't want to do false freckles. Beauty sponge. Okay, so now that my face is done and I'm white as a ghost, I'm gonna conceal. Revolution Conceal and Define C5. So my face is looking round as an orange, but white. So we're in the right direction. Now I'm gonna take some loose powder, some Coty Airs Point loose face powder. First time I'm using this. Oh shit. Let's bake. It smells beautiful. If beautiful were a smell, this would be so while my face bakes. Let's do the eyebrows. See, Merida has like eyebrows that are orange as her hair, and I have eyebrows that are not as orange as my hair. So let's work on them. So brush, and she is a warrior princess. She doesn't pluck her brows, so neither do I. First thing I'm gonna use is going to be, if I can find it, yes, the Revolution Brow Pencil. This one is Auburn. Auburn. Here it is. And I'm gonna see if I can do them all with this. Make them beautiful orange the right way. With the pencil it's not bad. I would, however, use more of an orange shade, which I'm gonna go get. So I have this palette from Soph for Makeup Revolution. She has like these lovely orange shades here, and I'm gonna use those. With my eyebrow brush. Yes, that's more like it. Yes. Oh yes. So she has this really thick eyebrow here and a thin one in the end. So let's see if I can manage that. I don't think so.
So as I was doing this, as usual, my camera shut off. So I went on and put some blush to get the look you're gonna see right now.
Now that's blush and everything else is done. I look like I have the flu. And I'm gonna go with these Avon Marvelous Mocha flavor color. I like this. However, I think she has a smaller upper lip than I do, and she doesn't have like the bridge, so I'm gonna try and fix that somehow. This. How do I look? So what do you guys think? Did I nail the look? I think it's quite decent. I think it's quite similar-ish. I like me. I hope you guys like me. However, I'm gonna make a second part in this video, and I'm gonna turn Merida into a glam princess. How would I look? How would I, Merida, look if I had, I don't know, how would I look if I had a 2018 sort of a look? Stay and find out. Okay, so hair back up in a bun. Let's get to work on this. I, however, think she is a really beautiful princess, as she is. White with the freckles, with the blush, and I like this blushy sort of situation, so I'm not gonna cancel that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear some bronzer, maybe do something to the eyes, and of course highlight. I'm using a warmer bronzer because she has a blush in the cheeks and I like that kind of redness. So let's see where this takes us. So I think she, as a woman with a rounder face like me, would use the bronzer more like a contour without going too far, because she has this character that she doesn't want to work that hard at looking good, because that's not what's important. I'm gonna go in with some more blush, and I'm gonna blush the cheeks because she has only blush here and here, and I feel we can use it also here and here. So for the eyes, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna use the Soph palette. She's a fire princess. She's gonna dig fiery colors. So I'm gonna go with reds and burgundies and wine color and things that are gonna make her eyes, my eyes, pop. Taking a smaller brush and going with a deeper red. Right here. I think her glam would be something like quick and easy. Let me get ready in 15 minutes and go and save the world. So this is one of those looks that me, personally, use in my real life. I think Merida would too. So to not let it get unnoticed, I'm gonna go with a smaller brush and do the bottom lash line. I'm gonna use the same tiny brush to take the darkest brown I have and a bit of depth. Put it there. Don't blend that much because it's a small brush. Take a larger, fluffier brush. Take just a second. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. And here. Now, the eyes are almost done. I would add some this color right here. It's a beautiful orange, coppery, shimmery shade with the finger. Quick and easy, 5 seconds. Like, okay, cool. Because we got glow. And the last thing I would use would be a smaller brush once again. Fairy lights right here, shiny, shiny color to do the inside corner. Yes, like to illuminate. Same color up here, quick and easy. Now, I'm not sure if she would wear eyeliner. I don't think she would. I think she would wear maybe... she would line black inside of her eyes. That's what I'm gonna do. And of course some black mascara, because we look like naked mole rats with red hair and no lashes. It's not a good look. Oh, this is the Max Factor Dark Magic. Really like? Really weird? Really recommend. Can you see the difference? Final thing I would do would be, you got it, the highlight. So this is my favorite. I'm gonna use it until I finish it because I don't need to have 1,000 highlights. I'm gonna go with the gold shade here. And I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so earrings, fit band, and ready to conquer the world. This is my take on a modern day brave princess. What do you think? Hit or miss? Do I look like her? I should have like got an orange wig or something, but no, this is the best part of everything. I love this do. I love this makeup. I think it's something she would do because it's quick, simple, easy. It took me no more than 15 minutes to get this done. And I feel quite glammy. I feel quite cute. I feel quite great. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Let's see what I can do next. What we can come up with next. See you on the next one. Bye!